Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I'm here with my latest unboxing. I know it's become the unboxing channel, but I've just been so fortunate lately with having more ability to be able to get more shoes to show off, and I'm just so excited over it. I just can't pump out enough shoes for you as I get them, so I hope you guys understand. And if you're wondering why these are out, they just have smatterings of red, and if you're familiar with the brand that I'm about to show you, the box comes in red. So I thought it would be just somewhatly a little bit befitting for my theme, and I didn't just want there to be blank space there, so that's why these are here if anyone has any questions for that. So, if you are familiar with my last experience wearing Valentinos, I loved the look of the Rockstud sandals, but wearing them was not so lovable. It was one of the most treacherous shoe experiences I have ever had in my life. My feet swelled, blisters, horrible, had to wear sneakers just to get over that. So those were a no-go. I wound up consigning them, and I never want to look at another Valentino sandal again. Those caged Rockstud sandals, do not do it. If you are interested in them, just don't. They're painful, they're horrible. I cannot not recommend them enough. Like, if I have to choose between walking around in a so-cate and those sandals, then I'm going to pick the so-cate. I will be comfier in a so-cate than those sandals, which is really saying something considering you have 20 millimeters of extra height and the closed-in toe box and all that kind of fun stuff. So, I kind of became fixated on the idea of trying out the Rockstud pumps, because I have heard all over the internet that they are so comfortable. Anyone can wear them. You can wear them wherever with whatever. They're a great shoe. So I had been eyeballing and looking around for months and months and months, and lo and behold, somehow, some way, I managed to find myself a pair of Rockstud pumps. I went a half size down because I found them at Neiman Marcus outlet, and luckily I managed to squeeze my foot into it. I would have preferred to go for a 6 because these have straps that you can adjust, so they give you a little bit of wiggle room. And I found mine at the Neiman Marcus outlet. All they had was 5.5, so I was just like, I'll take it. I can fit my foot into it. Great, we'll try it out. So now, after I've gone on my spiel for who knows how long now, I can finally actually show you the shoes. Now, there's no fancy paper or anything like that because these are an outlet purchase. It's really not... Whenever you purchase the outlet, you're lucky to even get the correct box with the shoes. So I was fortunate enough to at least get the correct box. And if you haven't heard that, have my shoes just flop around in them. And there's no stuffing, no nothing, no packaging, and they are in all black. I would have preferred to have found ones with the golden studs and the black toe box, but I just couldn't find it, so I figured I'll take what I could get. I can wear an all black shoe with an all black stud. Nothing wrong with that. I am a little bit nervous when I go to wear them out for the first time about this Napa calf kid leather, because I've said it so many times on this channel, if you're familiar with it, that whenever I have shoes like this, they can scuff and get damaged quite easily, especially this heel. But the heel doesn't seem too tiny, so hopefully the back of my shoe won't fall into cracks or anything like that. It's not as skinny as, say, a Louboutin. Not sure if the camera is going to get that, but I'm going to try and show you anyway, just to show that there is a slight thicker heel on these than a typical Louboutin. So just trying to throw that out there. But yeah, they are 100 millimeter. They unfortunately do not make them in any higher heel pitch than this, which kind of sucks for me, but I'll take what I can get. And these are meant to be comfortable and fashionable, not like a so-cate, where it's just meant to be fashionable, looking beautiful. These look beautiful, and hopefully they will live up to their reputation. So I'll put this one down and I'll show you the other just to show you, because why not? I've said it so many times now, especially recently. I'm a completionist. I like to show both shoes and then try them on for you. So I figure you guys would want to check out the other one. Obviously the exact same as the other one. It says on the bottom here, refurbished. Not sure what they needed to refurbish, because there's no wear on them or anything, so I'm really surprised at how well they managed to restore these however they needed to do it. But these typically retail for $1,100. I only paid $660, which for me, if I can find Rockstuds at $660, I'm gonna do it. If I can save $400 or $500, so be it. I'm gonna do it. You guys know me. If I can find a deal on a designer shoe, I will hop on it if I have the money to pay for the shoe at that given moment of time. So I will definitely let you guys know how I feel about these. Hopefully I can do a first use, first impressions video, but I'm kind of thinking about phasing those out a little bit and then just kind of like showing me walking around when I finally do my reviews and whatnot. So let me know what you guys would think about that idea. Since I have been producing less content lately, I know I've been bad, but I have more shoes. I promise I will always buy shoes to show you. Don't you worry about that. So yeah, I think that about does it for my little spiel. And I will go ahead and throw these on, try them on for you guys, because I know that's what you guys are dying to see, how they look on the foot. They are beautiful on the foot. But definitely let me know if you like how they look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Maybe you learned something, even though there's really not much to learn here other than look at these. But I will sincerely hope that you guys at least enjoyed watching me yab on, and I'll go ahead and try them on for you. So I will see you hopefully in the next pair of shoes. Bye!